Remember Henry Molaison? Without a hippocampus, he could not create any new consciously held long-term memories. But he didn't lose his memory for everything. He could remember information long enough to comprehend what someone just said to him, as long as what was said was brief and Henry wasn't distracted. If his doctor had said to him, "Henry, repeat this sentence, 'I love to eat spaghetti,'" Henry would have been able to successfully remember and repeat it back, but he would have completely forgotten both "I love to eat spaghetti" and that his doctor had ever asked him to remember this a minute later. But how could he remember anything without a hippocampus? Well, Henry still had his prefrontal cortex, and this is the primary place where the present moment is remembered. Whatever is held in your awareness right now is called your working memory. It's a small and short-lived holding space for the sights, sounds, smells, tastes, emotions, and language of right now, keeping whatever you just experienced only long enough to use it or not. Working memory for what you see is called the visuospatial scratch pad. Imagine words on a Post-it note written in disappearing ink. Working memory for what you hear is called your phonological loop. It's that brief echo in your head of what you just heard, the world's shortest soundtrack. Working memory has a really short lifespan and doesn't hold a lot of stuff. We can only remember at most 7 plus or minus 2 things for 15 to 30 seconds inside working memory. That's it. And then the contents are displaced by the next piece of incoming information. Life keeps happening. The next piece of data enters your working memory and it elbows out whatever was in there before. But wait, if everything vanishes from working memory within a few seconds, how can I remember what I ate for breakfast this morning, the movie I saw last night, or the vacation to Rome I took last year? Your working memory is the gateway to memory as most of us think of it. Information available in your present moment that captures your attention can be flagged and funneled from the tiny temporary space of working memory and sent to your hippocampus. There, it can become linked into a long-term memory, which, unlike your working memory, is thought to have limitless duration and capacity.